In focus this evening, company-sponsored conveniences. In the 90s, a number of businesses have discovered that pampering rank-and-file employees pays dividends. NBC's Betty Rollin on powerful perks.
In Philadelphia, Earl Knight puts in 10 hours a day at the Cigna Insurance Company. The last thing either he or his working wife wants to do at the end of the day is cook.
I'm going to order some dinner today. I think I'm going to try the chicken Dijon.
We have baked potatoes, broccoli.
Ordering takeout? Not exactly what you think. For $10 a dinner, the company chef cooks for the family. In New York, if you work long and stressful days at Salomon Brothers on Wall Street and catch the flu, you can see your own primary care physician right in the building.
You've been coughing also?
A lot.
Fax your prescription to the neighborhood pharmacy, and a few hours later, your antibiotic leaves the pharmacy and walks in the door. With working hours up and job security down, about 1,000 companies offer a range of attractive and unusual benefits, from on-site dry cleaning to lactation rooms for nursing mothers. In Charlotte, North Carolina at 5:30 a.m., Hattie Carter takes her laundry to her $7 an hour assembly line job at the Wilton Connor Packaging Company. That's because the factory does her laundry for her. $1 a load, 25 cents for ironing. Oh, and that's the company handyman painting Mrs. Carter's house. The only cost to her, the price of the paint.
This company also likes to give money away. $15 a week per child, for example, for daycare. There's also an emergency loan fund for people, say, whose lighter heating is about to be turned off, with a little free counseling thrown in to prevent it from happening again. All of these benefits combined cost the company $30 a week per employee. Is this good business?
Absolutely, it's good business. It's good, hard-nosed business. Treat people as if they are human beings with needs and concerns, and you will get back loyalty and good work.
We try to make him happy in everywhere we can because he's been very good to us.
In Chicago at Anderson Consulting, you needn't take time for life's small tasks. A company concierge will do them for you.
A gift for a newborn baby.
Yeah, a little girl.
A teddy bear and a card.
Yes.
For the services of this shopper and the concierge, employees pay $5 an hour. Anderson pays $2, willingly. They say it's a cost-effective way of keeping busy employees happy.
Kind of what you had in mind.
It's adorable.
And ultimately more focused on work. Betty Rollin, NBC News, Chicago.
In focus tonight, healthcare in America and why we should look for more gyms on the job. The federal government is telling companies that paying for their employees' fitness now can save billions of dollars later. We get more from NBC's Kenley Jones.
These employees at the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention in Atlanta are doing just what the doctors here have ordered.
Increased levels of activity or regular physical activity is related to the prevention of premature heart disease.
A new study by the centers says 30 minutes of moderate exercise 5 times a week will dramatically lower the risk of heart disease. Still the nation's #1 killer, claiming 500,000 deaths per year.
Coronary heart disease alone costs in excess of $47 billion a year.
The study estimates that $5.7 billion of that is spent on patients who could have avoided the disease if they had exercised. It points out that healthcare costs have been dramatically reduced for companies that provide fitness programs for their employees. One of those is Coca-Cola.
We did find that employees that participate in our fitness center have less healthcare costs, something like $535 a year less.
That adds up to a saving of $1.2 million a year at Coke's headquarters in Atlanta alone. Giving employees the opportunity to work out and improve their health at the workplace provides another benefit.
If they're healthier, we know they're going to work better, their productivity is going to be up, they're going to be absent a lot less.
At the Home Depot building supply chain, employees are encouraged to participate in the company's wellness program.
Aerobic classes, exercise classes, stop smoking, Weight Watchers classes, a lot of different kinds of things.
Etoile Bowles uses the fitness room at company headquarters.
It's very convenient, and you can come down here during lunch instead of pigging out.
Karen Rawson spends her lunch hour there too.
I get rid of stress, tons of stress, and it's just helped me to cope with everything and to be the best mother, to be the best employee I can be.
Many employees now consider fitness programs an important fringe benefit, and the companies that provide them are finding they not only save money, but win the appreciation and loyalty of employees as well. Kenley Jones, NBC News, Atlanta.